about how you guys can teach your bird to go on their back. So without any more further ado, Treasure, come here. Yeah. Good. So without any more further ado, let's get right into it. So, the first thing that I would actually really want to point out is that there's no actual way of you guys teaching your bird how to go on their back. These right here, these are not my birds. These are Sophia's birds. Trish, oh my goodness. I'm going to separate these two. Look up. Yay. Yep, these are not my birds. And, look at this Treasure. When a bird is on their back, their wings are essentially touching your hand or the floor or whatever they're laying down on. And a bird's wings... No! Treasure! I haven't let them out yet today. A bird's wings is a spot that a lot of birds are just not comfortable with you touching, or just anything touching it at all. Treasure, why are you going insane? He's flying laps all around the room. Okay, now they're both insane. Minty! Yay! However, if you touch a bird's wings, and if they don't like that, if they're not comfortable with it, oh my goodness, you two. If they're not comfortable with it, then they can get very hormonal, especially if you touch it on purpose and you know that your bird doesn't like it. If you touch your bird's wings on purpose and if they don't like that, they can get extremely hormonal. Really any part of them except for their head if they like scritches. However, if you are unsure if your bird likes going on their back, which is really on the bird, some birds like it, some birds don't. But if you're not sure if your bird does like it, then you can just go ahead and try kind of, if your bird's, oh, a feather fell. You can kind of try to lure them onto their back and having them on their back and you still feeding them the millet. I've been getting so many comments asking for me to teach you guys how you guys can teach your bird to go on their back, and I really hate to break it to you guys. There's really no way. It's really on the bird. Some birds like it, some birds don't. Yes, it is adorable, but however, you can't really control if your bird likes it or not. There's really not... Oh, hi! Can you sit on my pointer finger, not my middle finger? That's very uncomfortable for me. You guys might be wondering if you can tame your bird and if you can get them used to them being on their back. He's chewing a perch. Not really. You can't really tame them. Oh my goodness. Treasure! You can't really tame them to go on their back. You can try and put your hand kind of cupped over them and see if they like it. However, if they don't, then I'm sorry. However, I know that a lot of you guys are probably really heartbroken right now. Treasure, why are you flying everywhere? I know a lot of you guys are probably really disappointed in that you can't actually teach your bird. So I'm going to teach you guys another trick that you can teach your bird how to do. It's not really them laying down on their back. However, it is just as adorable. And that is called Bat Bird. So with Bat Bird, basically what you're going to do is you're going to take your bird and you're going to basically just go ahead and lure them down with the millet. It can be a little bit tricky sometimes because some birds just will be really confused with what you want to do. However, you just want to kind of lure them onto hanging upside down and then reward them. I suggest at first that you let your bird eat while they're upside down and then reward them even more. However, slowly you can start to put the treat lower and lower so that they cannot eat unless they jump down. And if they do jump down to the millet, just simply put them back on your hand and don't reward them. The longer they stay down, the more treats you will give them in the end. In my opinion, it's as adorable. It's really cute and simple to teach your bird how to do. I personally love this trick. It's adorable, and even if my birds don't know how to go on their back, it's okay because birds can learn so many other tricks that are just as impressive. It's kind of insane on how impressive a lot of bird tricks are, and a lot of people don't realize that, and a lot of people only focus on one or two tricks, but really there's so many other tricks that you can teach your bird how to do. So yeah, that bird is just a really adorable trick that you guys can teach your bird, and it's not, I guess, as impressive as your bird going on their back, but in my opinion, it's equally as adorable. Yep. Kind of. Then I'm going to wrap up today's video by saying that don't force your bird to go on their back, and I suggest just find another equally cute trick that, in your opinion, if your bird does not like going on their back. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!